Hey guys, I want to go over one of the graphing with solving your linear inequalities in more of the standard form. We did one today and some of you did not do very well, so I kind of want to take a redo here. So if I look at this equation, remember I want it to be in some kind of form like this to be able to graph it. And that's not the right form. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by subtracting 2x. This cancels. Negative 5y is greater than negative 2x minus 15. Now the next piece I would have to do is get rid of the negative 5. So I'm going to divide every single thing by negative 5. Now at this point I have kind of a little buzzer going off in my head that's going to talk about the need that I have to flip the sign because I divided by a negative number, which happened to be negative 5. So that means if this came down, instead of being greater than, it's going to be less than. These cancel, I'm left with y. Those cancel, so I'm left with 2/5 x. And then negative 15 divided by negative 5 is positive 3. So now because it's in y equals form, I can go through and I can start to get my 4 boxes together. So my m is 2/5. B is 3. If that's my inequality, I'm going to have a dashed line. And if that's my inequality, I'm going to have to shade below. Now remember, the box part that is right here, that should be on every single one of these, every time you're graphing. So let's take this positive 3 here and go up and start graphing my stuff. So my y-intercept starts at positive 3. If my slope is 2/5, I'm going to go up 2 over 5. Now you guys told me that has to be a dashed line. I'm going to do my best to make this straight. I don't know how this is going to look, but we'll try it. Okay, so I have this. Draw my arrows on the end. I know if I'm going to do this, I have to shade under. Let me just change color so you can see it better. So this part's going to be under. Now remember, I need to be able to tell if your line is dashed or filled in. So make sure you can get close to it, but don't quite touch it. And then you're filling in everything underneath. Okay, look over the one we did in class today, and you have several foldables to look over, and we'll try this again tomorrow.